Hey friends, I'm Miss Rachael, and today we will be learning about citrus fruits by making citrus volcanoes. But first we need to get a few supplies together. Here's what we're going to need: 2 lemons, baking soda, a craft stick, food coloring, dish soap, and don't forget some paper plates and towels. This experiment is going to be a little bit messy. First, let's start off with our lemons. With an adult or older sibling, cut the top and bottom off of one of the lemons. Place the lemon on a paper plate and scoop the core of the lemon out with a spoon. Next, we're going to take the other lemon and squeeze the juice out. You can also use store-bought lemon juice for this step. Save the juice in a cup or a bowl for later. Add a few drops of food coloring and dish soap to the inside of the first lemon. You can stick with one color or use a few to make cool color combinations. Now for the fun part, time to add baking soda. Start with a few spoonfuls of baking soda and mix it inside the lemon using the craft stick. Watch your volcano start to erupt. Add more baking soda and the lemon juice we saved from earlier to keep the volcano going. You can experiment with other citrus fruits too. Here I have lime, orange, and grapefruit volcanoes. Which volcano do you think worked the best? Let's look into why these fruits are able to create this reaction. If you've ever tasted a lime or a grapefruit, you probably know that they can taste pretty sour. Well, all citrus fruits contain citric acid, which causes that sour flavor. When citric acid is combined with baking soda, the reaction causes carbon dioxide to form, which is released in the bubbles that we see in the volcanoes. Some citrus fruits contain more citric acid than others, which is why some of the volcanoes had more bubbles. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for learning about citrus fruits with me today. I had a lot of fun. Hope to see you all again soon.